This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating essentials so the restore succeeds. Confirm the project ID, billing status, and that your account has owner or relevant admin roles. Once done, identify the exact backup artifact, cloud storage object, compute snapshot, or cloud SQL backup ID, and note region/zone. Make sure gcloud is installed and authenticated. Run gcloud config set project ID and set compute/region. If the backup is encrypted, export or grant access to the KMS key so the restore command can read it. Now you perform the core restore operations. For VM disks, create a persistent disk from the snapshot and set appropriate size and zone, then detach old disk and attach the restored disk to the target VM. For Cloud SQL, pick point-in-time or full backup and restore into a new instance to avoid data overwrite, then promote when validated. Make sure service accounts and KMS keys are accessible during each step, and follow a logical sequence. Storage/snapshot, disks, then database to prevent dependency conflicts. Finish by booting restored VMs and running comprehensive health checks. Verify services, endpoints, and database integrity. Once tests pass, update DNS records and load balancer backends, reapply IAM rules, and clean up temporary disks or snapshots to control costs. If anything goes wrong, first inspect cloud audit logs, gcloud error output, and KMS permission messages. Common fixes include reassigning service account roles or restoring a different snapshot. If an immediate fix fails, roll back and retry the target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.